In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter HubSpot. We'll start right from your HubSpot dashboard and move smoothly through building, customizing, and preparing your newsletter to send, so you can share updates with your audience quickly and confidently. First, head to the main navigation at the top of your HubSpot account and open the marketing menu. This is where the tools for campaigns, content, and reporting live. From there, select email. You'll land in the email tool where you can see past emails and start something new. Look for the option to create email and click it to begin a fresh message. When HubSpot asks what kind of email you want, choose regular. A regular email is perfect for one-off newsletters you send to your subscribers as opposed to automated workflows. It keeps things straightforward and gives you full control over design and content every time you send. Next, you'll see the template gallery. In the search bar, type News to quickly filter down to newsletter-friendly layouts. This helps you skip the noise and find formats built for headlines, summaries, and calls to action. Choose a template that matches your content structure, maybe a clean single column for readability or a multi-section layout if you feature several stories. Don't stress about perfection here. You'll fine-tune everything in the editor. Once the editor opens, start customizing. Replace the logo and colors to match your brand. Update the hero image and headlines to set the tone. Keep paragraphs short and scannable. Use clear section headers and add buttons with action-oriented text like read more or register now. Double-check every link. Write alt text for images for accessibility and consider subtle personalization such as a first name greeting used sparingly. Preview your email on desktop and mobile to make sure spacing, fonts, and images look great everywhere. If you can, send yourself a test email to catch typos or broken links before moving on. When you're happy with the content and layout, click Review and Send. This screen helps you confirm key details like the subject lines and preview text, and it flags potential issues. Make sure the from name is recognizable, the footer is compliant with your email regulations, and tracking is enabled if you rely on analytics. Give the content one last read, verify links and images, and ensure your message aligns with your newsletter goals. When everything checks out, you can send it right away or schedule it for a specific time to match your audience's peak engagement. That's it. Your HubSpot newsletter is ready to go.